is 5. What is halfway between 0 and 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Halfway between 0 and 5 is 2.5. Now, what's halfway between, this is negative a half and 0. What's halfway between negative a half and 0? Negative a quarter. Okay, negative a quarter. So my local extrema is negative a quarter. What else was it? 2.5. And there was another one. Do you remember what it was? Where's the other local extrema? 0. Don't forget that one. That's easy to forget. Don't forget that one. 0, 0. Okay. So now we have to figure out the y values. So remember, we just use our calculator. I'm going to plug in negative a quarter. To make this a little easier, I'm going to plug in negative 0.25. So x squared, parentheses, negative 0.25 squared times 2 times negative 0.25 plus 1 times negative 0.25 minus 5 to the 5th. Uh-oh, I did something wrong. Let's see. How many parentheses? Oh, I need to insert a parentheses. There we go. That should work now. Oh, I'm a disaster. Okay. Parentheses 2 plus 1. Open, close. Open, open, close, close, open, close. What did I do wrong? Go to, oh, delete. There we go. Negative 124.6. All right, so this is negative 124.6. So some disgusting number. Light, go back on. All right. And then we have to do 2.5. Same thing. Parentheses 2.5 squared times 2 times 2.5 plus 1 times 2.5 minus 5 to the 5th. Negative 3,662, comma, negative 3662.1. So that's pretty ugly. Okay. All right. Finally, increasing and decreasing. All right, look at my picture. Where is this increasing? Going down, going up, coming down, going up forever. So I'm going to write on this page. Increasing. Negative a quarter to 0. And then 2.5 to infinity. Decreasing. Everywhere else. The top arrow is negative infinity. It stops at negative a quarter. Union. Starts again at 0 to 2.5. And we're done. All right? I know these are kind of rough. I know. Last one. All right. Negative x cubed times x plus 4 times x minus 2 squared plus times x plus 9. All right. Let's start with the zeros. X equals 0. X equals negative 4. X equals 2. And x equals negative 9. All right. What do I have for duplicities and multiplicities? I have an x minus 2 squared, so it's going to be my little parabola, and an x cubed. Okay. Now, what is my degree? Now, pay attention to that negative. That makes a big difference. So I'm going to say it's negative x. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. X to the 7th. What's that going to mean? That means my graphs are going to be going in opposite directions. Okay? So I have negative x to the 7th. Right? As x goes to positive infinity, where's y going? Negative infinity. If you plug in a really giant number, you get a negative big number. As x goes to negative infinity, y goes to positive infinity, okay? So this is the right side, this is the left side. As x, if you plug in a really big negative number, a negative times a negative is a positive, okay? All right, let's draw this on a separate piece of paper. That's my previous problem. All right, so my smallest number is -9, my biggest number is 2. So I need to both sides of the graph. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. My other roots were -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. Okay. All right. So now, as x goes to infinity, what's happening to my graph? Y is going to -infinity. So that means my very last root, this should be coming down. Okay? As x goes to -infinity, y is going to infinity. So on the right side, this should be going up. Okay? So remember, these go, it's a nice kind of curve. Let's see. At 2, I have a duplicity. What's happening at x equals 2? I have a little parabola. So it hit 2. So instead of coming up, it's going to come back down. All right?